Hello, I'm John from IH Manchester, and today I'm going to show you how to access your Microsoft Teams account. So first thing to do is sign into your email at office.com. So we'll click sign in. Then we will pop in our password. For more information about how to access your email, please see the video above. So when we get to our email, down the left hand side you'll see different options for 365. Select the Teams icon down here. So we click on Teams, that'll load our Teams page and we can access all of our class information. So the first option you're going to get is whether to use the application or to use the browser. So either is okay. If you download the app, it'll be on your computer, easier to access. For the moment, I'll just use the browser. So I click there, and here's my Teams page. So every student will have a social activities team. That'll give you information about our social activities. For more information about how to use that, please see the video below. For the moment, I'll click on my class. So down the left hand side you'll see the channels. So first channel, the weekly study plan. The weekly study plan is your plan for your week of classes. So really important. So to use the weekly study plan, click on the channel, click on weekly study plan here, then click on files, and then you'll see your plan for the week of lessons. So as you can see, there it is, everything you'll do for the week. Now, another important channel are the whiteboards. So to see our IH Manchester whiteboards, click on whiteboards, and then once again, click on files, click the correct week, and then select the correct time. And you'll be able to see a record of everything you've done in all of your previous classes. So you'll see the grammar that's been covered, the vocabulary that's come up, absolutely everything. Really good for study. Finally, just one more channel I'd like you to look at. So resources. On resources, we look up the top here, there's lots of additional resources to help you study. Inbuilt dictionary, a list of useful websites, click on more, list of irregular verbs, great explanation on different verb tenses, lots of stuff there. Really useful is our IH Campus, which gives you thousands of extra videos and activities to practice your English. For more information on using IH Campus, please see the video below. So that's it from me. I hope everything's clear, and all the best. Bye.